Storm's Tech channel here, and today I've been doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First Trade Talk, so the Galaxy S22 Plus is finally here at Trade Talk. It's available now for $999.99. So yeah, this is the base version, 128 gigabytes of storage here. The model number is S906U1. So you guys know what the specs and features are of the Galaxy S22 Plus. So you guys have the front right there. Scroll back up here just a bit here. So you guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. On the back of the Galaxy S22 Plus is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Samsung logo. Alright. Features on the Galaxy S22 Plus, you guys should know what they are. Says here, breaking the rules of smartphone innovation, our fastest smartphone processor. Up your game, everyone. Stop waiting for your phone to catch up. Switch apps with zero delay with Samsung's fastest smartphone processor ever made. Pretty much said the same thing in the Galaxy S22 listing here for Straight Talk. So interesting there. And of course, Straight Talk always has to put this on their phones. A service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. So they got specs. They do got some specs here, which is surprising because if you guys go to Straight Talk's website, they don't have specs for most phones on their website. So at least they do have some specs here for the Galaxy S22 Plus. If you guys want to get the full specs, I will have them linked below, so check those out for the full specs on the phone. Y'all guys should know what the specs are because this phone's been out for several months now. So yeah, network is 4G, Wi-Fi, 5G. Dimensions, I don't know why it's not in length and height and all that, but you got the dimensions there. The screen 6.6 inch display, Infinity O display, Full HD plus, dynamic AMOLED 2x smooth motion 120 Hz adaptive display, 26 hours of talk time, 8 GB of RAM, 128 gigs or 256 GB of storage. It does have Android 12 with One UI 4.0, I believe, so pretty cool there. Facts and specs, of course. So yeah, like I said, if you guys want the full specs, the links will be down below. What comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus smartphone, charger, battery which is embedded in the phone, services guide and quick start guide. You guys will have to provide your own charging brick if you guys don't have one. More features on the Galaxy S22 Plus. Pretty much the same thing it said with the Galaxy S22 listing. Says here, low light, no problem. Capture the light, capture the night with crystal clear, bright pics and videos, no matter the lighting. Light up your life with 8K video. Shoot videos that rival how epic your life is with stunning 8K recording. Smooth, bright, epic. Your favorite content will look even more epic on our bright display. Our fastest smartphone processor. Up your game, everyone. Stop waiting for your phone to catch up. Switch apps with zero delay with Samsung's fastest smartphone processor ever made. A battery that keeps your day going. Power every scroll, click, tap, and stream all day long, and then some with a intelligent long-lasting battery. So yeah, if you guys are wanting a Samsung flagship phone, the Galaxy S22 Plus is now here. It's Trade Talk. It's finally here. It's been on postpaid and prepaid carriers for several months now, and now Straight Talk is finally getting the Galaxy S22 series here. So it's available now for $999.99 for the 128 GB version, and it's probably $1099.99 for the 256 GB version, I believe. So yeah, so you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.